Okay, so we've gone from going through attaching the window retainer strips to the door to actually installing the door. To recap, there was an orange bracket at the bottom here, you move that to the center, set the door in the opening, and then you take the screws in this yellow bag and install them on the exterior of the frame, all the way around the door. So we are about ready to open this door now. So what we're going to do is this yellow spacer, you're going to pull back towards the middle of the door and you'll hear it pop. It's unlocked. Pull this spacer back, you'll hear it snap. It's unlocked. And then here we're going to take a flat-headed screwdriver or such, and there's a little orange bracket there. You've got to stick it in here and push that piece back, because that is also holding the door together. Once you've removed that bracket, just grab the door and pull, and you'll notice that little orange bracket was connected to the latch plate here. Here is the spacer at the bottom of the door. We're going to pull this off. Anything that's orange will leave. These are the two pieces you poked out of the door latch with the screwdriver. And then there's two other spacers on the door. Here and here. These guys, you just loosen the screw so that you can pull it out and remove it. Do the same thing with the bottom one here. We're going to remove this as well. Just loosen the screw and this bracket comes up. Remember to retighten the screw. Finally, there's an orange spacer up in the corner here. You want to just remove that as well. Now, our new Andersen 3000 door is partly installed.